when your man long gone. If you're looking for a friend and you got the wrong.
Bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately
Say ah. Ah. Say ah.
I'm a happy boy. I'm a happy boy.
I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
I'm so hungry I can eat a dog. I'm so hungry I can eat a dog. Kiss me slow. Your heart is so.
Look at this. How in the hell did you get way up there?
It is bedtime. Let's go. Bailey, are you sad? No.